Everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the G Technology G Drive Mobile SSD 1 terabyte solid state solution with 560 megabit a second transfer rate. We are excited for that. So this has got a 5-year warranty from them, and it's definitely smaller than a normal hard drive. So go inside the box here, and here it is. This is the SSD in the G Technology case. There's a little blinking light down there for activity and the USB Type-C port up here. And that is pretty much it for the drive itself. They have some documentation in here, which is always nice. And several cables. So they have a USB to USB-C cable here. These are USB-Cs on both ends. And a USB Type-A. And you can tell with the blue tip that it's faster with a USB Type-C on this end. So no matter what connection you have, this will be compatible and backward compatible with a super speed port. It looks like a 10 gigabit connection as well on that. So this is the G Technology R Series G Drive Mobile SSD with 1 terabyte of storage. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel and also 24K on Instagram. Thank you.